Okay, good morning. My name is Miss Hadi. I'm coming to you from Nashville, Tennessee. I'm here visiting my mother, and I wanted to make a few videos, about 15, where I'm going to explain to you some things that will help you feel more comfortable in the class. So I'm going to be answering 15 questions in these videos, and we're going to start with question number 1. Where can I find a syllabus? So let's begin. I'm going to show you my screen, so that's what you're going to be looking at right now. Okay, so FAQs. Now these questions these are frequently asked questions for AP World History Modern and Ancient World History, and some of the answers will apply for my class, Mr. Hammond's class, and Ms. Rogeson's class. So the syllabus is a document that explains what the course is about, information for expectations for classwork, participation, late work, and information on how you will be graded, including what counts for what percentage. So for example, if tests count for more of your grade than homework, and you can check on your syllabus. And it also has a pacing calendar, although not all syllabi include pacing calendars. So for our class, I'm going to be putting this on our Google Classroom, and there will be a hyperlink. So when you see it in blue and underlined like that, you should be able to click right on it, and it will take you to our syllabus, and you can read it at your leisure. So you can take your time and look through each section, look it over with your parents, make sure you understand what the expectations are. And if you have questions, you can ask about it. So the first page is a cover page. You'll see it loading now, and you can just click on that link, and these will also be on our Google Classroom. It also has ways that you can contact your professors and the way that your professor or teacher prefers to be contacted. So for example, I prefer phone, and Mr. Hammond prefers email, and so does Ms. Rogeson. It'll have a course description, and it'll have the textbooks that you need, the skills that you'll be working on. My computer's a little slow. The explanation of the thinking skills and the themes, student participation. So really take your time and read through this, because you're going to be committing when you take the class to all of these expectations. So if in the syllabus it says something like you need to check your Google Classroom every day by 8:20, then that's something you're expected to do, and it can affect your grade in the class. So make sure you read through it, you really understand it. If you have any questions, that you contact your teacher. And then it has our first month of school, the calendar, what it looks like. It also has office hours, which are times that you can contact your teachers, and how you'll be supported, grading practices, which are different per class. For example, in AP World, your tests count for more than they do in the 9th grade class. It also talks about, as I said, the pacing, and that's where you can find the syllabus. So I'm going to go back to our PowerPoint, which is hidden now. I don't know where it went. Give me one moment. And this is the fun of looking for things that just disappeared. Okay, so I found it. Here it is. This is the PowerPoint that I'm going to put on your Google Classroom, and so will your teachers, I hope, or they'll put some version of it. So again, the syllabi should be on your Google Classroom. You want to make a copy of the pacing calendar and then adjust it as we go. So for example, that schedule is tentative, which means it might change. So when you make a copy, you can type up and save it every week for yourself. There's also another website where you can get online lectures and book resources. And this is the misshadi.weebly.com website, which I'll explain in another video, but this website is getting outdated and we're going to phase it out. So the only thing you really want to go on there for is to get online lectures and book resources. I'll explain that in a minute, but really quickly, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of the pacing calendar. So again, Ancient World kids, 9th graders, you're going to also be able to click on the hyperlink, and it should take you to the pacing calendar. Now, all of you have Google Drives through school because you have an email that the school is giving you. So you should be able to do this. So the one for AP World History Modern, you see this, or you should see the class schedule in orange, or the Sweetwater Union High School District calendar in orange. It's just taking a minute to load. That'll come up. Okay, I'm going to dismiss this, and you're going to go to File, Make a Copy, and then it will pop up on your screen. You'll be able to make a copy. That way, save it. You can say my copy or my name, whatever, and then you can push OK, and it will save to your computer, and that way you can change it. Okay, I hope that's helpful. This is the first video.